Take it away,
This
Harris.
one nice. Moss Audley says, no new taxes.
Did he actually put it on the front of the book?
He did put it on the front. No new taxes.
For the first time in 14 years.
Yes.
Wow. That's good news.
That's good news, Moss Audley. Moss Audley. I'm not casting aspersions for you, you know, because I'm a Jamaican and I want this thing work. Do nobody tell me no new taxes and then 3 months from now, me I go buy some tin something and some rice and sugar and then tell me say the price gone up because they hide one tax.
So here's the thing,
no new taxes.
No new taxes, but what about new fees?
Well,
see, sometimes you hear no new taxes, but then you just look at fees.
That's what I'm saying.
Inching up, so they find a way to.
That's what I'm saying, Moss Audley. No new taxes, sir. I'm very happy. I'm just hoping. He said he ordered the pink book. Every year the tax measures have been put in a little pink book. So I ordered the pink book this morning and I told him to write on it.
No new taxes. We decided in our first year in government to give back to working Jamaicans by implementing an increase in the PAYE threshold to 1.5. We've seen that along with increased compliance measures. There has been tax revenue buoyancy. Along with our continued fiscal discipline, we have also been able to contain expenditures. So I guess that's probably why we have no new taxes. Let's wait and see how that plays out. But in the main, it is good news. Yeah. Because God knows. Yeah. People feel under pressure from the taxes that we was paying.
Absolutely.
A whole heap of them.
He also says with all that's been happening with the banks and all the complaints that people have been, that they have approved, I think, 2 new commercial banking licenses. And he says this is to introduce more competition into the market because he feels if they regulate the banks in one way, the fee's gonna come out someplace else.
Competition helps. So. I heard in the news that NCB was supposed to introduce a fee. I think in May,
and then said they weren't going to.
And they put it back because of, I guess, what Fitz Jackson and his folks are doing. So I find this very interesting. I wonder if we have time to get there. Let's go through this. Montague reports fewer cops leaving the force. National Security Minister Robert Montague is saying for the first time in 7 years, fewer cops are leaving the JCF. Last year, there were 360 cops who left, 140 fewer than the annual average of 500 men and women who are separated each year through retirement, resignation, refusal for re-enlistment or dismissal. I would like to know why.
I was going to say, Mr. Montague, you want to know why?
The story doesn't say why. He says he's pleased with the reduction in the number of cops. Said an exit survey has found the main reason for cops leaving is their unfavorable working conditions. But what are the main reasons for them staying, sir?
Oh, yes.
We would love to know that. It would be nice if you could, you know, if somebody, one of the reporters.
The conditions are extremely unfavorable.
Yes, yes. I hear St. Mary's getting a new police station. So
bless God, bless God.
People don't have to fall through floors and so on and so forth.
I heard Minister Shaw yesterday as well say they're going to be building some additional high schools. Well, he said schools. I don't remember if he said secondary schools. To push ahead with the no shift system. So at the end of the budget debate, we're saying yes, with them. I want somebody when the budget debate done to kind of like contextualize everything for Jamaican people so they understand what it is.
In layman's terms.
Yeah.
Well, we can do that. We can do that. We can invite somebody on. And remember, Andre Houghton was talking to the numbers with us, but we need somebody who can break it down to
so
brass
regular people understand what I say.
And I agree with you, Miss Yes. If you're a regular trafficker to Hagley Park Road, please be advised to brace for some traffic changes in the 3 miles area of St. Andrew because major technical work is about to begin. There's a lot of work going on, Constant Spring Road, Barbican, now Hagley Park Road. It's the plan to widen Hagley Park Road. Bridges are to be built at 3 miles, and the corridor is to be widened to accommodate 4 lanes of traffic. As a result, there are holes that are going to be dug as part of the agency's field work. Hopefully those holes, Sir Shaw, will be well lit at night in the daytime so that people do not drop into them.
In other words, if you're not happy to go Hagley Park Road, don't go there.
Yeah, but where are you going to go? Because it's like all the mains now have construction going on, so everything going to back up anyway.
kind of hard to skip 3 miles if you're coming from Spanish Town Road.
Exactly.
And
travel,
continuing along Spanish Town Road, you have to go there.
You just have to kind of, bite your tongue until the progress happens, because I see Barbican Road shaping up quite nicely. So it's going to take some time, but hopefully when it's done,
everything
we'll be happy that.
Cool.
Yes.
Nice.
All right.